What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, you have to go to your profile, you have to click on this. After going to your profile, you have to click on settings, okay? Then you have to scroll all the way down and find a option called my data. Please guys, make sure you watch till the end so you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat, and this is the only way, so you have to watch till the end. After doing so, you have to click on this option. You will land a page just like this. Then you have to uncheck all the boxes just like this, okay? So we want to export our data from Snapchat to our email so that we can find our friends, deleted friends. After doing so, uncheck all the boxes. You have to click on next. After clicking on next, then you have to select a time frame that you have deleted your friends in this time zone. You have to remember this. Then you have to I have deleted my friends in the last week. That's why I'm clicking on this last week. Otherwise, you can click on last month. After selecting the time frame, then you have to click on next. You have to click your email address on here, okay, so that they email you the zip file on your email address. After putting the email address, you have to click on next. There is no next button for me because I have already sent them two emails. For that's why I can send email after 24 hours. You will see option next, then you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you will receive a email after 5 to 10 minutes, just like this email. I am going to show you just like this email, okay? You'll find the email on your email box inbox in your Gmail account after 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to click on this option, blue option, click here just like this. After clicking on this option, you can see here is a page. You maybe have to log in your Snapchat account. This is safe, you can log in. After logging your Snapchat account, here you can see an option just like this, see exports. You have to click on this option. Then you can see here is our zip file from our Snapchat, all our data in this zip file. After that, you have to click on download. Then you have to open the file from your files option. So we need to extract this zip file on our mobile phone. So what you need to do, you have to go to on your files, my file. Then you have to click on download or recent apps or recent, that you can find your zip file just like this, my data. Okay, you have to click on my data. Then you have to click on extract. After clicking on extract, the zip file will be opened. You will find a file just like this, my data. After clicking on my data, you have to click on HTML. Then you have to find the option called friends. This is the option, friends HTML. You have to click on it, friends HTML. Then you have to choose a browsing option. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. After that, you have to find the option called deleted friends. Here you can see there is the all friends that you have deleted from this time frame. So this is how you find your Snapchat deleted friends on your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.